sorry to interrupt the usual broadcast. We have news from BCD News Broadcast. Some people have lost memory throughout 3 p.m. It has been noticed that a strange phenomenon has occurred after 155 years in human history. If you have seen anyone with lost memory recalling these phrases, where am I? Who am I? And what year is it? Please alert these to your local authorities. Please stay safe. All channels from BCD News Broadcast and others will share the same broadcast. Stay safe. My God be with you.